Hello students, welcome to our online channel. I am Hemant sir and today we will understand more examples which are given in your textbook of your chapter called quadratic equation. Okay, so the question which is given in your textbook page number 51. It is the solved problem and it is really very important. It says a train travels with the speed of travels 360 kilometer with uniform speed. So it is the distance. It is the distance. So we have to write the distance. The distance which is given 360 kilometer. 360 kilometer, and it runs with the uniform speed. That means there is no change in speed. Then says the speed of the train is increased by 5 kilometer per hour. Suppose this is the distance. This is the initial distance and this is final distance. A final point, and the distance between this is suppose final point A, initial point A, and final point is B. The distance from AB which is given as 360 kilometer. So it says when train running through the track, okay, it running with the uniform velocity, velocity or we can say speed. If the speed of the train will increase by 5 kilometer per hour, so initial speed हमको दिया हुआ नहीं है, so we have to consider the initial speed of the train. So let the initial speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. This is the initial speed we have to consider because it is not given. Okay, and the condition says if the speed of train is increased by 5 kilometer, that means x kilometer में हम 5 kilometer add कर देंगे. So the increased speed of the train will be x plus 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, so it says if the speed of the train is increased by 5 kilometer per hour, it takes 48 minutes less than to cover the same distance. सेम डिस्टेंस को कवर करने के लिए ट्रेन को 48 मिनट्स कम लगेंगे इफ वी विल इंक्रीज द स्पीड बाय 5 किलोमीटर. सो बाय यूजिंग डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला और स्पीड फॉर्मूला, व्हाट इज स्पीड फॉर्मूला? फॉर्मूला क्या बोल रहा है? फॉर्मूला है स्पीड इक्वल्स टू डिस्टेंस divided by time. We have to use this formula. Okay, now it says find the initial speed of the train. So we have to calculate the initial speed, that means the value of x only. Okay, so we have to use this formula to calculate the value of x. So we have to solve now. Solution. Speed equals to distance divided by time. We have to calculate first time, so we have to transfer this time to another side and this speed to another side. So what we will get? Time equals to distance divided by speed. Distance divided by speed. Okay, so initial time will be So this is time to cover the distance. This is the time to cover the distance, and here we have to write the speed. So we have to write time here. Time covers the distance. Distance is 360 kilometer. So what is distance? It is 360 kilometer divided by, what is initial speed? X. Initial speed is x. Now the time taken by the train to cover the same distance, but when the speed is increased by 5 kilometer. So time taken, here we write taken. Time taken by train to cover the same distance after increasing the speed. After increasing the speed equals to, distance is the same, that is 360 kilometer divided by, the increased speed is x plus 5. We have to write here x plus 5. So this is the time taken to cover the distance, okay, by initial speed, and this is time taken by the train to cover same distance, but when in time speed is increased by 5 kilometer. So by given condition, what is given condition? If we will increase the speed by 5 kilometer, train takes 48 minutes late, or yes, 48 kilometer it reaches early to the point B. So by given condition, by the given condition, से अगर हमने इस स्पीड को या इस स्पीड को इसमें से अगर हमने रिड्यूस कर दिया, सो टाइम कितना कम लग रहा है? 48 मिनट टाइम कम लग रहा है. सो by given condition we can write as 360, it is the initial speed of the train. Now we will subtract the increased speed, that is 360 divided by x plus 5. So जो टाइम कम लग रहा है वो हम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. वो कितना है? 48 मिनट्स. बट यहाँ पर देखो हम सारा का सारा कैलकुलेशन किसमें कर रहे हैं? आर में कर रहे हैं, किलोमीटर पर आवर. So we have to convert this minute in hours. So what we are doing? We have to divide it by 60 minutes. So 48 divided by 60 minutes, that means वो hour में आ गया. Okay. So अब क्या करेंगे? देखो यहाँ पर 60 दिया हुआ है ना? तो हम क्या करेंगे? इसको solve करेंगे. So we will get the quadratic equation. Then we will solve quadratic equation simultaneously. Okay. So here we have 360. So what we'll do, we will divide full equation by 360. Okay, so we will cancel this and this also, then we will solve easily. Okay, so what we'll do, divide full equation by 360. What we will get here? 360 and 360 will get cancelled. So here it will remain 1 by x minus. Again here 360 and 360 will get cancelled. Here we will have 1, or we can solve in full step. So we can write 360 divided by x into 360 minus 360 divided by 360 into x plus 5 equals to, here also 48 divided by 360 into 48. Okay, by dividing whole equation by 360. So this and this will get cancelled. So what will remain here? Will remain 1 divided by x minus. this portion and this portion will get cancelled. So what will remain here? Will remain 1 divided by x plus 5 equals to, if we will simplify, this is 60, okay, this is 60. So 12 fours are 48 and 12 fives are 60. So here we can write 4 divided by 360 into 5, or we can directly multiply here. 5 0 is 0, 5 6 is 30, 30 will have unit place 0 and carry 3, 5 3s are 15 and 3 1 18. So now we will solve it again. So we can write here 4 divided by 1800. So this will cancel by 2, 2 2s are 4 and 2 9s are, okay, and 2 0, 2 1s is 2 and 2 4 50s are 190. So directly we can write here 1 divided by 450. We can write directly as 1 divided by 450. Now if you want to write, you can write, because we will have to solve and we have to erase this one. So we have 1 divided by x minus 1 divided by 5 plus x equals to 1 divided by 450. So these are the fraction, and we know how to solve fraction. We have to multiply this here and this here. So it will become 1 into 4 plus x, 5 plus x is 5 plus x. Then we have minus, so minus x into 1 is x, divided by, now we have to multiply this, so x into 5 plus x equals to, we have 1 divided by 450. Here this x and this x will get cancelled. So what will remain here now? 5 divided by, here x into 5 is 5x plus x into x is x square equals to 1 divided by 450. Now we will cross multiply. So this one portion come here and this portion will come here. So 5 into 450 equals to 1 into this portion will be x square plus 5x. We have to transfer this to another side. So what we will get? We will get x square plus 5x. This is will be in positive, so will come in negative form. This is in positive. If we will transfer, will come in negative. So negative 5 0 is 0. 5 5s are 25. 25 will have unit place 5, will carry 4. 5 4s are 20 and 4 is 24. So we have 2450 equals to 0. See, this is the quadratic equation now. X square plus bx plus c equals to 0. That means we have the quadratic equation. Now we have to solve this equation and we will get the value of x. So we have to factorize this 5 in such a way that its multiplication will become equals to 1 into 2450. Okay. So factors will be, the factors will be 50 into 45. 50 into 45 will come this portion. See, 50 into 45 will come 2450. Okay, so we have to solve as x square plus 5x, that is 50x minus 45x. So 50x में से 45x को subtract करेंगे, so we will get 5x, that is the value of b. If we will multiply this both the values, we will get 2450. Okay, so this is the factor of, we can write here 50 minus 45 equals to 5, and 50 into 45 equals to 2450. So this is the factor. Okay, now we will have minus 2450 equals to 0. We have to take common from here. So we have common, which is x. We have x here also and here also. So we will have x common. What will remain here? X plus 50. So x plus 50 यहाँ भी बचना चाहिए. So we have to write x plus 50 here. So what will we take common? 45. So minus 45 will be common. So equals to 0. Now we will have to see यहाँ x plus 50 फिर से common है. So we have to take common x plus 50. What will remain now? X minus 45. X minus 45 equals to 0. So हम एक बार ये लेंगे, एक बार ये लेंगे. So we will get two values of x. So if we will take x plus 50 equals to 0, so x will become negative 50. See, negative 50. Now next we have x minus 45 equals to 0. So x equals to, we will get 45. See, what is speed? What is x? X is the initial speed, and speed cannot be negative. So we can omit this part. Speed cannot be negative. Therefore, we have x equals to 45. So what is x? It was the initial velocity of the train. So we can write the initial velocity of the train is 45 kilometer per hour. So we have to write result. So what will be the result? The initial speed of the train is 45 किलोमीटर पर आवर. हमने क्या किया था? उसकी स्पीड को 5 किलोमीटर से इंक्रीज कर दिया था. तो इंक्रीज स्पीड क्या हो जाएगी? x प्लस 5. सो x प्लस 5 मीन्स 50 किलोमीटर हो जाएगी. ओके, बट दिस इज द इनिशियल वेलोसिटी, इनिशियल स्पीड ऑफ द ट्रेन टू कवर 360 kilometer of distance. So here we have completed the today's session. If you want to write, you can write or take a screenshot. Now homework for you. So we have practice set 2.6 and हमने कल आपको 6 तक के होमवर्क दिया था. I hope आपने सॉल्व किया या नहीं किया. But we have few more question. There are 4 more question for homework for you. Okay. So आपने सॉल्व करने हैं सारे के सारे प्रॉब्लम. अगर जो प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रहे आपसे वो हम कर देंगे. ठीक है, बिकॉज वी हैव वेरी लेस टाइम टू कवर आवर सिलेबस. सो आपको पूरा का पूरा पार्टिसिपेशन देना पड़ेगा. सो वी हैव नाउ सॉल्व प्रैक्टिस सेट 2. सो प्रैक्टिस सेट 2 में वी हैव अबाउट 15 क्वेश्चन. सो आई विल मेक यू सॉल्व द स्टार मार्क क्वेश्चन इन आवर टुमारोज वीडियो. सो स्टार्टिंग में तो क्वेश्चन बहुत ज्यादा सॉल्व है. दैट क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है या नहीं, दैट यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई. इन सेकंड क्वेश्चन you have to identify whether the given equations are quadratic equation or not. In third equation, the root of, you have to calculate the value of k. It is really very simple. Then you have to, in fourth question, you have to find the value of discriminant. Again, what is discriminant? It is the delta equals to b square minus 4ac. इसी की कैलकुलेशन आपको निकालनी है. फिर आपको फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन में आपको रूट दिए हुए 3 and 5 और आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना है विच ऑफ द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन हैव रूट 3 and 5. सो व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, यू हैव टू प्लेस द वैल्यू ऑफ 3 and 5 इंस्टेड ऑफ x. सो यू विल गेट x, दिस क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन यू विल सॉल्व एंड यू विल गेट 0. अगर 0 है दैट मीन्स वो 3 and 5 विल बी द सॉल्यूशन और रूट ऑफ द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन. तो आपको ऐसा क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन चूज करना है जिसके रूट क्या होंगे 3 and 5. नाउ सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन, आउट ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस फाइंड द इक्वेशन हैविंग द सम ऑफ इट रूट इज -5. तो तो आपको अल्फा और बीटा का जो एडिशन है वो 5 आना चाहिए, ये कैलकुलेट करना है। सो आपको क्या करना है, अल्फा प्लस बीटा इक्वल्स क्या होता है, माइनस बी डिवाइड बाई ए। सो माइनस बी डिवाइड बाई ए की वैल्यू आपको कैलकुलेट करनी है। ओके, सो आपको करना क्या एक्चुअल में, आपको करना है अल्फा प्लस बीटा इक्वल्स टू माइनस बी डिवाइड बाई ए। सो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन में ए बी सी यानी कोफिशिएंट इजीली हम कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं और आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं। सो वहां से हमको बी और ए की वैल्यू प्लेस करनी है, देन यू विल गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ अल्फा प्लस बीटा। अगर जिस अल्फा प्लस बीटा की वैल्यू -5 आ रही है, दैट विल बी अवर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन। 7th क्वेश्चन आपको सॉल्व करना है, Which of the following statement is true for the given equation? तो on that basis कुछ equations दिए हैं, on the basis of the value of determinant, whether वो 0 है, whether वो 0 से greater है और 0 से less है, on that basis you have to decide the nature of roots of the quadratic equation. अगर 0 है so it is equal and real. If it is greater than 1 means उसकी वैल्यू पॉजिटिव है, greater than 0 that means उसकी वैल्यू कैसी आएगी, पॉजिटिव। अगर पॉजिटिव आ रही है इसका मतलब वो रियल होगा। अगर लेस देन 0 है या नहीं, निगेटिव अगर वैल्यू आ रही है, अगर निगेटिव वैल्यू आ रही है दैट मीन्स जो रूट्स होगी वो कैसे होंगी, नॉट रियल होगी। ओके, सो दिस आर द वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन दैट यू हैव टू सॉल्व। 8th क्वेश्चन सेज वन ऑफ द रूट ऑफ द क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन इज 2, देन फाइंड m। तो आपको रूट दिया हुआ है 2, तो आपको m की वैल्यू फाइंड करना है। अगेन दिस इज वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन। नाउ you have to solve question up to 7. okay, again 7 and 8th one। अब यहाँ से 9th और 15 के बीच में अगेन वी हैव वर्ड प्रॉब्लम। सो आपको सॉल्व करने हैं आज में जितने भी हो सके, और जो बचे हुए क्वेश्चन हैं आपको मुझे कॉल करके बताना है कि सर हमारा ये वाला क्वेश्चन नहीं बना है, प्लीज इसको सॉल्व कर दीजिए। सो इसके लिए हम वन मोर वीडियो वी विल प्रिपेयर। सो आपको ये सॉल्व करना है। ओके, सो आज का सेशन हम यहीं कंप्लीट करते हैं, मिलते हैं हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। ओके, बाय।